In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect a form channel in Hubspot. Connecting a form channel is useful because it routes form submissions into your conversations inbox, so your team can respond and manage requests in one place. Before you begin, make sure you are logged into your Hubspot account and you have access to settings, since this setup is done from the main settings area. Start by looking at the top navigation in Hubspot and clicking the settings icon. This takes you to the account-wide configuration area where tools like inboxes, channels, and routing are managed. Once you are in settings, find the section called Inbox and Help Desk. Click into that and then select Inboxes. This is where Hubspot lists the inboxes your account uses, along with the channels that feed messages into them. Inside the Inboxes area, click Connect a Channel. This is the option Hubspot provides when you want to add a new source of messages, such as email, chat, or forms. After you click it, you will see a list of channel types. Select Forms. Choosing Forms tells Hubspot that you want form submissions to appear as conversations, so they can be handled like incoming messages rather than being isolated entries. Next, you will be prompted to choose which form you want to connect. Select your form from the list, then click Next. Take a moment to confirm you picked the correct form, especially if your portal has several forms with similar names. Selecting the right one now prevents confusion later when submissions start coming in. After you click Next, you will reach the final confirmation. Click Save to complete the connection. Saving applies the change immediately, and the selected form is now connected as a channel to the inbox you are working in. From this point forward, new submissions from that form should flow into the inbox as conversations, making it easier to track, assign, and respond using your usual inbox process. And that is all there is to it.